This is the best PC build for under $1,500. All the products are in my link tree in my bio. Let's go. Starting off with our CPU, we've got the Ryzen 7 7700X. Then we're going to pair that with Asus's Prime 4070. For our RAM, we're going to go with 32 gigabytes of Crucial DDR5. For the motherboard, decided to go with the big old B650. For our SSD, I chose the Crucial P3 Plus 1 terabyte. Went super basic with the case, just selected the H5 Flow. Then I chose Segotop 750 watt because it is gold rated and ATX 3.0. Where is it? Right there. This build is super interchangeable. Say you had a budget of like $1,500, you could get 2 terabytes of SSD, get a different case, switch out some parts. But if you want these parts, they're in my bio, my link tree. A lot of them are discounted, so be fast.